Hello everyone, welcome in today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about how to edit Google Ad campaign. We will learn how to edit CPV, how to edit ad and remove keywords, how to edit demographics, how to edit locations, and we will also learn how to change the budget and end date of your Google Ad campaign. So first of all, log in your Google Ads account. Then click on campaign, then again click on campaign. Now select your campaign to edit. For example, I want to edit this campaign. So if you want to change the name of your Google Ad campaign, simply click on this pencil sign. Then you can change the name of your Google Ad campaign, then click on save. Now if you want to pause, remove or enable your Google Ad campaign, then click on your Google Ad campaign, then click on edit. Now you can enable, pause or remove your Google Ad campaign. If you want to change the budget and end date of your Google campaign, then click on this setting sign. Then click on this budget and dates column. Now here you can change the budget of your Google Ad campaign. You can also change the end date of your Google Ad campaign by clicking on edit. Then choose the end date of your Google Ad campaign accordingly. Then click on save. Okay. Now we will learn how to change CPV, which is cost per view, in Google Ad campaign. For this, click on the name of your Google Ad campaign. Now scroll down. Now here you can change the CPV of your Google Ad campaign. For changing your CPV, click on this pencil sign. Then type your desired CPV here. Then click on save. Here you can see your CPV of your Google Ad campaign is successfully changed. Now we will learn how to add, edit and remove the keywords in your Google Ad campaign. For this, scroll down here. Now click on audience, keywords and content. Now scroll down again. Now click on content. Now again scroll down. If you want to add new keywords in your Google Ad campaign, then click on edit content. Now click on add group of your Google Ad campaign. Now click on keywords. Here you can add keywords according to your wish. After adding the keywords, click on save. If you want to remove any existing keyword from your Google Ad campaign, simply click on that keyword, then click on edit, then click on remove. Now click on confirm. Here you can see your keyword is removed permanently. Okay, it is removed. Now we will learn how to edit existing keyword. For this, click on edit content. Now again click on add group of your campaign. Now click on keywords. Now you can edit the existing keywords according to your wish. After editing your existing keywords, click on save. Now we will learn how to edit the schedule of your Google Ad campaign. For this, click on add schedule. Now scroll down. Now click on this pencil sign. Now here you can choose the schedule of your campaign according to your need. You can also change the timings for your Google Ad campaign to run. After doing all these changes, click on save. Now we will learn how to edit the locations for your Google Ad campaign. For editing your locations in Google Ad campaign, again click on audience, keywords and content, then click on locations. Now scroll down. These are your existing Google Ad locations. But if you want to remove any of this location, just click on the location, then click on edit. Now click on remove. But if you want to add a new location or new city or new state, just click on this pencil sign. Now type your desired location. Just like this. Then click on save. You can also remove your existing location from this menu. Then click on save. So your location is also edited. Now we will learn how to edit the demographics of your Google Ad campaign. So first of all, you need to click again audience, keywords and content. Then click on audiences. Now scroll down a little bit. Then click on edit audience. Now again select the ad group of your Google Ad campaign. Now here you can change the demographics of your Google Ad campaign. For example, you want to change gender or you want to change age group according to your need. In additional demographics, you can also change the parental status or household income for the Google Ad campaign. You can change these columns according to your wish. You can also select the interest of your demographic audience. For example, you can choose whether your campaign is for business related peoples, or it is vlogging related peoples, or it is digital marketing related people. Just type your topic here, then click on include. After changing these details, click on save. But one thing is missing. We will also learn how to edit CPV for each keywords on Google Ad campaign. Let me show you how. So again click on audience, keywords and content. Now click on content. Now scroll down. Now these are the active keywords for your Google Ad campaign. And this is a maximum CPV of your Google Ad campaign. And this is the maximum CPV for each keyword. You can change these CPVs according to your need. For example, I want to change CPV for this keyword, Amazon brand approval. So for this, I will click on this pencil sign. Then I will type my desired CPV. Then I will click on save. Here you can see your maximum CPV for a specific keyword is also changed. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.